Hi guys, this video is paano natin i-convert ang MS Word file to PDF file. Kaya punta na tayo sa ating computer at huwag na nating patagalin pa.
Okay, nandito na tayo sa ating computer and I have an example here na MS Word file na gusto kong i-convert as a PDF file. So, ang gawin natin is napakadali lang. Kahit wala tayong internet, all we have to do is just go to the button of file and then mayroon ditong save as. I-save mo siya kung saang area, and example sa akin is in the desktop. Pero pagdating dito sa save as type, hanapin mo lang yung PDF. Yan, PDF, and then save. There you go. Mayroon ka ng PDF file na galing sa MS Word mo. So, here's the MS Word and here's the PDF file. Ganun lang kadali.
Hi guys, please like or comment if nakatulong ang video na to. Thank you and may God bless you.